I thought before I cut my hair, I would do a Zen Detox on it. So what I'm going to do is just mix about 4 tablespoons of the bentonite clay Zen Detox formula. This is a mixture of some minerals, herbs, and the clay, and it'll help detoxify my hair follicles, my roots, the oil glands, and the scalp. Just mix it with about equal parts with distilled water. Don't use any metal container or utensils when you're mixing it, and just make sure it's kind of a real good muddy paste that you can work in real well to your scalp and to your hair all over. This is really great for helping also to assist in reversing chemical damage that's been caused by the environment or past use of synthetic hair products, heavy metals, and even carcinogenic exposures of just daily living. So once I get this all in my hair, I'm going to let it set for 20 minutes. They recommend that if you're a beginner to detoxing, you could have some effects to that as it detoxes. So starting out with just 20 minutes, but you can actually work your way up clear to an hour, but we'll start with 20, and then I'm going to rinse it out, and that will be my detox session, and we will be done.